तेलंगाना की भद्राद्री कुत्तागुड़म जिला एसपी डॉक्टर विनीत ने मीडिया से बात करते हुए कहा कि ममनुआ सीपीआई माविस्ट पार्टी चल्ला एरिया कमेटी मेंबर मटकम कोसी उर्फ रजिता, माविस्ट पार्टी तर्जुमान आजाद उर्फ दामोदर की बीवी माधवी धनीदल रुकुन को जिला पुलिस ने गिरफ्तार कर लिया। इन्होंने कहा कि वो कई एक केसों में मुलविस हैं। उन्होंने उनके कब्जे से 20 जिलेटिन स्टिक्स, 2 डेटोनेटर्स, कार्डेक्स और इनकलाबी लिटरेचर को जब्त किया है।
During this operation, we found 4 to 5 people in which we chased them and we got 2 female cadres. In that we got to know that one is Madakam Kosi alias Rajita, who is the wife of Damodar. Then another person is Madavi Dani. She is a resident of Dokpadu. So after obtaining, apprehending them, we recovered a lot of materials which was displayed here. So after this we interrogated and we got to know that she was involved in more than 81 crimes. So particularly in recent murder that happened in Kulmapalli area of Irpa Ramudu. Along with this, she was also involved in the Tekukudam incident that happened where the CRPF men were attacked by Maoists. Then similarly she was involved in various other encounters which was listed. Then she also disclosed many interesting facts about Maoist party, that it is abusing and harassing female cadres and they were not allowing them to get married or have children. And similarly, they are using minors for their personal work. So they are harassing minors and also not allowing them to have sufficient education.